Which one of the following statements is not true? Pollen grains of many species cause severe allergies. Now this is true statement. This is the statement from NCERT that pollen grains of many species cause several allergies and bronchial afflictions in some people, often leading to the chronic respiratory disorders, that is asthma and bronchitis. This is directly a statement from NCERT. So yes, it is true. We can see also it is mentioned how the pollen triggers asthma. Then, so this is true. Second statement, stored pollen and liquid nitrogen can be used in the crop breeding program. That is also true. And we have again this statement directly from NCERT. It is possible to store pollen grains of a large number of species for years in liquid nitrogen at minus 196 degree centigrade. So yes, this is so why we want to store? So that we want to store for breeding programs. So that is also true. This is a true statement. Tapetum helps in the dehiscence of the anther. Yes, let us now understand. This microsporangium is having 4 layers. Okay, epidermis, endothecium, middle layers, and the tapetum. Now the three outer layers, that is the outer 3 wall layers, perform the function of protection. Okay, so epidermis, endothecium, and the middle layers, the top 3 layers, outer 3 layers, they perform the function of protection. And what they do is they help in the dehiscence of the anther. What is the dehiscence of anther? Dehiscence of anther means, the anther gets ruptured and then the pollen grains are spread outside, because now they have to go out for pollination. So therefore these 3 layers help in the dehiscence of anther, not the tapetum. So what does the tapetum do? The innermost wall layer is the tapetum. This is the tapetum, and what it does is, during microsporogenesis, the cells of the tapetum produce various enzymes, hormones, amino acids, and other nutritious material required for the development of pollen grains. So actually it helps in the development of the pollen grains, and this is again in line directly from the NCERT. It nourishes the developing pollen grains. So therefore we can see that the tapetum helps in the dehiscence of anther is wrong. Actually it nourishes the pollen grain. So this is false statement. The fourth one, exine of pollen grains is made up of sporopellet. Yes, that is true. That is true, which is mentioned here. This is again direct line from the NCERT. The hard outer layer called the exine is made up of sporopollen, which is one of the most resistant organic material known. So sporopollen is the one of the most resistant organic material. Okay, and we can see here that it is mentioned that sporopollen is one of the most chemically inert biological polymers. It is major component of the tough outer exine walls of plant spores and pollen grains. It is chemically very, very stable and is usually well preserved in soils and sediments. That's why the pollen grains can live protected for many, many years also, due to the exine which is made up of sporopollen. So this is also true. Okay, so this is also true. So therefore there is only one statement which is incorrect, and that is the C option. Thank you.